everybody, Lori Livingston here, Director of Transportation for Lake Local School District. As you can see behind me, we've got a lot of buses here. We're having a huge open house on April 22nd from 10 to 1 here at the Lake Bus Garage. We'd love to see a big turnout here. We're gonna have application process here. We're gonna have buses here, drivers here, snacks, raffles. It's gonna be a great time. We'd love to add to our team. We have a great family here and we hope to see you here. Thank you. Hey Cindy, how long have you been a bus driver?
20 years.
What do you love the most about it?
Oh, I love the kids, and every day is an experience that's just full of fun.
Cindy, we love having you here. We hate to see that you're retiring this year, but thank you for all your years.
Thank you.
Hey Barb, how long have you been a bus driver?
I'm in my 30th year.
Wow, that's a long time. What made you want to do this type of a job?
I was able to be home with my kids in the summertime, snow days, holidays, and still be able to support my family.
Well, Barb, we're glad you're here, and thanks for giving all those 30 years to us, and we're welcoming many more.
I love my little people.
Hi, Kim. How long have you been a bus driver?
Hi, I have been a bus driver for 24 years here at Lake Local.
What do you love about it?
I love the fact that when I started, my son was in kindergarten, and I've always loved kids, so it works out well.
Well, we're glad to have you, Kim, and hopefully we'll get a bunch of people down here.
Thank you.
Hi, Marty. How long have you been a bus driver?
Oh, 19 and a half years.
What do you love about it?
Well, of course, I love the kids. I love the hours. I like all the bus drivers, the friendship, the family feeling. I also have a chance. I work in the high school in between, so it's like an all day. I get my full time in, have my summers off, my holidays with my kids. I started because my kids are in the school, and just when they were done, I continued on.
Well, we're glad to have you here, Marty. Hi, Nikki. How long have you been a bus driver?
I have been driving for 6 years.
Well, we're glad to have you here, and I also know that you're working on the playground over at Lake Elementary. What do you love about working for Lake Local School District?
I love the students, first of all. It's a great place to work. Everybody is friendly, and the hours just happen to work for me.
Well, we're glad that you're here, and we look forward to many more years. We also know that you're one of the people on our lot that have one of the cleanest buses on the lot. Why do you want to keep your bus so clean?
I feel that it is my office. It's where I go every day, and the cleaner the bus, the happier I am. I have taught the children on the bus that if we keep it clean together, it's a team effort, and it's just they're happy, I'm happy. It's a good ride.
Well, thank you so much, Nikki.
Absolutely.
Hey, Lori, how long have you been a bus driver?
Going on almost 5 years.
What do you love about it?
Everything. I can work when my kids are working, and I can be off when they're off, and I just love being a role model in the kids' life.
Well, we're glad to have you here, Lori. Thank you.
Thank you.